Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have the Coat of Bell EVO Sling Pack L. Big shout out to Coat of Bell for sending this one over for review. So let's get right into it. If you're familiar with the popular Coat of Bell X-PAK 2, you're going to love this one. Think of it as a larger, more versatile version. The EVO Sling Pack takes inspiration from classic messengers and fanny packs, but it's been refined for the modern world. Coat of Bell has packed this sling with numerous pockets in various orientations, making it incredibly functional. Here are all the features. I'll just screenshot it and put it up on screen. Have a read through it and pause the screen if you have to. There is a lot to take in, so just take your time. Let's start with the exterior. I'll just keep this in sling mode as most of us will probably use it this way anyways, and we'll move quickly because there is a lot to cover. So first up, we have the removable compression straps that you get with the Coat of Bell backpacks. These are great for securing items on the exterior like a tripod. These straps have enough slack to compress reasonably sized items. I'll remove them now and give you a clearer view. So just to remove it here, you just take these off, and they're pretty straightforward. So if I could take it off, so that's one, and then that's two. In the center here we have the recognizable X-PAK material along with the Hypalon pull tabs featuring the Coat of Bell logo on them. They do feature YKK zippers as well, and then underneath the flap there is a quick access pocket down here as well, which you can fit up to an iPhone 14 Pro Max in a vertical orientation, perfect for all the smaller items as well. So just to give you a quick idea, here's an iPhone 14 Pro Max in the vertical position, and it just fits around here. So the bottom's here, and then there's still a little bit of room here so you can fit other smaller items in here. On the sides we have the Cordura material, which is the RN66 recycled nylon. There are two pockets up here and one at the bottom right here. The two on the right here are quite bigger than the one on the left, but these are small pockets and they're great for earphones, keys or other small items that you need quick access to. So they're both the same, these two. And then on the left here, this one is slightly smaller but does have the key attachment that's built in here. The Coat of Bell magnetic key attachment. So it depends on the size of your keys which pocket you'll want to use. We do have Hypalon attachment points from top to bottom. When you get to the bottom here, you got a plastic D-ring. We do have a water bottle here, and it does feature a bit of a stretch to allow for larger bottles. We will put it to the test with the 26-ounce Yeti water bottle in a minute. It does have a compression strap as well to tighten things down if you were to use this in messenger mode, so your bottle will not fall out, or will have a less chance of falling out. And then on the right side we have more Hypalon pull tabs with the logo in the center, right here behind the handle here. At the top you'll notice a little pull tab with a small circle at the top. It's the same on the other side. This is the contact point for modular items like the Annex 16-inch laptop case, so you'll know where to clip it in. So right here, there's just a little circle right here. So there is a removable handle grip that's nicely padded, and it attaches to the Hypalon with the metal G-hooks. I had no issues with it feeling insecure or falling off, but it's easily removable just like this. Very simple, just like that. So this is pretty much the messenger bag mode where you'll carry it by the handle. Some of you might prefer this orientation, but I rarely use it in this way. I usually grab it quickly if needed, but I prefer the sling mode since it keeps my hands free. So just turning to the back side now, you'll notice the strap is quite wide here. It does provide a lot of coverage. It is well padded, and then underneath there is mesh with small holes for ventilation, which is excellent for airflow. At the very top there is a buckle right here that secures the expandable front to the back, and then an elastic loop right here that's fixed at the top. As you move downwards, there's a larger D-ring again for additional attachments right here. So in the center here, there's a clip for the stability strap, which attaches just behind the handle grip down here. With this included stability strap, I'll demonstrate later on how it looks on body, but this is included and it just clips into here and then just attaches to this side right here. So yeah. So as we move down the strap, it uses Fidlock magnetic buckles, which are secure and easy to release. And moving down at the bottom, the strap is attached to the bag with G-clips that swivel for better comfort. The back padding is plush and it is quite comfortable as well. So this back padding, it does have a central gap right down the center here to allow airflow to prevent overheating, but the padding here is very, very good. You can see how plush it is and how thick it is. So yeah, very comfortable experience. Yeah, I hope you're able to keep up with me up to this point. I know it's a bit overwhelming, but yeah, buckle right here that clips the expandable pocket from the front here as well, just like the top. And then on the bottom corners we got attachment points on the left and right for the backpack harness, allowing you to convert this into backpack mode. Unfortunately, I don't have those accessories to demonstrate that for you, but the main strap here can be attached either to the left side or the right side, giving you the option to carry it over your preferred shoulder, which is really good. I do personally prefer it to be over my right shoulder. At the top here, we do have 2 attachment points as well for the backpack harness. Unfortunately, these can't be tucked away. However, the main strap can be tucked behind this back padding, allowing you to carry it in messenger mode. So let me just demonstrate that real quick. So if we remove this, you could just tuck this in right here and have it hidden away while using it in messenger mode. So like this. You could tuck this away as well, just at the bottom as well, just to keep that hidden. And yeah, you have it in briefcase mode or messenger mode, whichever you want to call it. So moving on to the interior, let's start with the front expandable compartment. In typical Coda Bell fashion, we unbuckle, and then we unfold, and then we unzip. The zippers here are aqua guarded to prevent water from getting through. Inside, we do have the custom made ripstop orange camo lining with branded pull tabs as well, just to mention. And then there's an internal zippered mesh pocket that's decently sized and loose, providing additional organization. So you can see there is plenty of room in here to store up additional items that you may want to carry. You can also access this compartment from the bottom side of the backpack. So I'll just demonstrate that here. So close that up, and then this is the bottom side facing the ground, so it's almost upside down. So to access this, we do have AquaGuard zippers right here, and then you can open up. This option offers secondary opening. It is smaller as well, but you could have access to it right here for your mesh pocket, and the same goes just down in the center here. It is a bit smaller because this bit's folded, but this is just a second way of getting into this area here. So yeah, double zippers as well. The bag is upside down, and you can see that the water bottle is facing downwards. So to bring it back to the upright position, we just turn it around, and now you can see that the water bottle is facing upwards. This is the way it should be orientated. And same again, you got the AquaGuard zippers and double zippered by KK. And this does open up halfway here to get into the main compartment. And the main compartment inside here, you'll see the vibrant orange camo lining. At the back here, there is a laptop compartment, and that could house up to a 13-inch laptop secured with a Velcro strap. Below it, starting from the left, there are 2 pen styluses, open pockets right here, a small pocket to the right of it, which is the middle, a wider pocket with a Velcro strap, which is perfect for storing tech items or tech accessories or stationery. So yeah, there's a little fold here, so you can add something quite bigger into here as well. And then hopefully you could see you got 2 mesh pockets, open mesh pockets right here, perfect for storing any other accessories and stationery as well. These 2 take up the whole width of it, so yeah, as you can see, they're a lot bigger than the pockets above, but yeah, decent sized. And then down at the bottom here, you got your main area that's decent amount of space for larger items like tech cases or headphones. This compartment is separated from the front compartment, providing additional storage options. At the top here, you could put the handle up here as well on these attachment points right here, and have it carried at the top here. So let me just show you that. Right here, attach it up here. You could carry it like this up here, but the downside is that when you clip this in, you won't have access to that. So if you cinch this down, maybe you'll be carrying it from the side like this or something like that. So yeah, you could have it this way, but entirely up to you. Moving to the back here, we do have 2 zippered pockets, both protective of AquaGuard zippers. These are large compartments that lay over on top of each other, so each compartment is separate. These pockets are ideal for storing secure items, so more valuable items if you want in here. So it does layer on top of each other. As you can see, both of my hands are in here, but they do not touch, so their own separate pockets. Yeah, both of them are quite spacious as well. You got this full length, so right here to about right here. Both sides, both are the same. It's also best to not store super large or thick items in here, as they could press against your back. However, there is a thick padding between you and the pockets, so it shouldn't be much of an issue, but ideally you probably wouldn't want to store something too thick or just push out like this and press against your back. So here's the water bottle test. We got the 26-ounce Yeti water bottle and the Lark flip top bottle, which is 500 milliliters. I think this one's 760 if you convert ounce to milliliters. But yeah, let's put it to the test. This one does have the thicker body, so let's try to put this in first. So this does have a bit of stretch, but I am struggling already to get this in, and I don't think it's going to fit. So this is basically as much as I could get it in. I don't think this one passes the Yeti test, but surely this one will, with a thinner body. So yep, this is how it looks with the water bottle. So this is in messenger mode with the water bottle. As you can see, the reason for the compression strap is to tighten this down and to prevent it falling out, but yeah, shouldn't fall out with any problems. So next here is the messenger mode. As you can see, it sits compactly by the side of the body. It's nice, and there's a good bit of distance from the ground as well, so which is really good, and it's not touching the floor. So here's the on-body look in sling mode. You could wear it over either the left or the right shoulder. I do prefer my bags to go over the right shoulder. So this is how it looks right here, and it's, I could tighten it down a bit more just for myself. So here, I like it a bit more tighter, and yeah, this is how I like it right here. Finally, here's a stability strap attached. It fits securely and can be tightened down, but for me it doesn't feel quite right because I always feel like it's going to slip off my shoulder, so I don't really use this feature much anyways, but it's good to have because it is included as well. So just to let you know, it is recommended by Code of Bell to use a backpack harness kit when using the Annex laptop case. This ensures better weight distribution and for more comfortable carrying experience. So on to the pros and cons. The pros would be it's packed with lots of utility and functionality. It does offer lots of pockets for utilization. Modular design allows for customization for now and the future as well, which is really good. So future-proofs it. It does offer great quality materials as well, and the comfort is just great. I have no issues at all. The downsides would be the learning curve due to its adventurous design that takes time to get accustomed to. It may be more suited for advanced users or specific group of people that prefers these technical designs. It can also get pricey with the additional accessories required for the full experience, although not necessarily essential for basic use. I do have it without the accessories, and it just does the job for me. On to the pricing, size and colour. The X-PAK EVO is priced at $239, which is roughly around £187. Please check the currency conversion according to your country. It does come in pitch black only, available in one size with a capacity of 11 litres to 23 litres when expanded. The backpack harness is sold separately for $59. For those with the 16-inch laptop, the Annex laptop case is necessary, priced at $79, also sold separately as well. In conclusion, the Code of Bell EVO Sling Pack is a highly versatile and functional bag with a modular design that allows for customization based on your needs. It features a durable construction with quality materials, offering both comfort and utility. If you love the X-PAK 2, you'll love this one, as it's essentially a larger, more feature-rich version. There is a learning curve due to its adventurous design. It's perfect for advanced users or users looking for a specific set of features. Though the additional accessories can be pricey, the base model is sufficient enough for most users. Priced at $239 and available in pitch black, this sling pack offers a capacity of 11 litres to 23 litres when expanded. For added functionality, the backpack harness and the Annex laptop case are available separately. Shout out to Code of Bell for sending this one through and for me to check out and give my feedback on it. I am already a big fan of the Code of Bell X-PAK 2, and I've done a review on that, so you could check that out as well. I still use that one to this day as my everyday carry. I hope to use it much more as well, especially for those days when I'm out for longer hours or throughout the whole day where I need a bit more of my items with me, but then I don't want the need of a backpack. So this one should come in handy as well. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe as usual. If you want to see more videos and other brands that you want me to check out, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.